Snowman does. You wrap that's tin foil on a pan, and you spray that bitch. You set this motherfucker to bake 325. Those are the cookies right there. So, you go here, hit that clock. And then you come back 10 minutes later. We have confirmation. You stick it in there for 11 minutes, and when you take them out, they're done. No flipping. So I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Here's how you know I'm not bullshitting you. It does say 10 to 12 minutes. When the timer's up, I'll catch you guys. Alright, so while you're waiting, you can look in there and check it. It says 10 to 12, so if you want it a little more lightly done, or if you want it a little more cooked, then you can do that too. But give myself a cup of udder liquid. I almost dumped that on the floor. Keep checking it if this is your first time. 6 1/4. There we go. So when the 6 minutes are up, I will be back.
Welcome. I'm Content Thief. I happen to live with this fuck and happen to come by and see him making cookies. That's what y'all are up to nowadays? Cookies? Making cookies in the oven or whatever? Get out of my face. Check out podcast drops Monday. The episode.
They weren't baked long enough.
Oh god!
So we gotta leave them in for like 5 more minutes.
They look pretty good. What is this, like movie or something? No?
I don't know. I just pressed the button and it looks nice. Shut up.
When the edges start to get brown.
When the edges start to get brown. Lucky for me, we're rich. Oh, you can't see through that.
Let me zoom in on it. Bring it. Open it again. Slut. Man whore. It's a good Christmas thumbnail or something. Alright, hold up. Come look at it real quick. Let me hold it up. Hold that up. Bring it out of focus. You see him?
Yeah, it's fucking nice. You guys ever heard of that? Where the guy shoved a glass in his ass and it cut him?
You're not using a mic or anything?
Nah, fuck that shit. You're just gonna have that echoey kitchen audio.
Hell yeah!
I fucking stink! Whew, that was scary.
Guaranteed.
I got a shower like last month. It shouldn't be that bad. Holy shit.
I got washed up when I was bored a little.
They kind of wiped the blood and shit off me when I came out.
Password.
Something.
Just get a handful of shit. 2020 with Content Thief. Yeah, it was focused on the fucking cookies.
I got 2 plates.
I'm a little scared that they're just not fucking cooking, or maybe they are, and they're gonna be. The only way I'm gonna see it is when it's black. They're just big hunks of shit.
What if you put the camera to my ass? You hear that, right?
It was supposed to be a quick, easy meal. I was gonna put little stars in the title and say quick and easy, but now that would just be a lie. Hello, everybody. We're making cookies.
I think you're turning out okay.
It went out of focus.
Shit.
Redo. Let me get the other end. Imagine you like chew it up and then you go all over the lens. The light might make it blend in that. Yeah, this clip alone is almost 10 minutes. I think I'm just gonna scrap the rest. And just show a miserable montage of us fucking waiting for him to finish. I think that'll do it. Alright, boys, so we're gonna get a second angle here. We have a little mitten here that we are going to grab. Put them on top, and then we're going to close that. You guys see how they're like all Starting to like crust over. So it's starting to like crust over. So that's what you're looking for. I'm gonna give them a taste test in like a minute, and then when I do that, then you guys will see it. There's the cookie. It's hot as fuck. We're gonna go ahead and get a quick taste test. Very good. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this second angle because I don't need it anymore. Unfortunately, I ended up losing the main clip from my camera, so I was never able to make an actual outro. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to expand on the cooking series, let me know in the comments down below, and I can make any kind of food you like. Goodbye.